Hello, this is How To Not To, and in this video I'll be doing the dispenser drawer. I'll be cleaning out the dispenser drawer as it has got clogged up at the moment. As you can see, it needs a very good clean. I don't know whether you can see that. There you go. You do need to keep the upkeep of the machine. You need to clean it every 3 or 6 months, depending on how often you use it. I'm going to do the dispenser drawer clean right now. So to do that, to remove the dispenser drawer from the machine, you need to press down on the blue bit here. So once you click on that, it should remove it. So let me just pop my camera back on the tripod so I can just show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so I'll just move that slightly back so you can get a good look at exactly how to remove it. Right, so you press down here, right there, that's it, and then pull out. And that will remove the dispenser drawer away from the machine, like so. Oh, it's got a bit of water in there. Okay, I'm going to now transfer this to the what do you call it, the sink, to give it a good clean. Okay, this is the dispenser drawer, and I'm going to remove this away from the drawer. To do that, all you need to do is lift it up here and gently pull away so that comes apart, the blue bit. And also you may be wondering how to remove this bit, the front part, away from this bit here, the rest of it. Well, that's also simple to do. So all you need to do, if you tip it over, underneath you can see those grey bit clips here. You just need to press down on those two at the same, and then pull it away. Yeah, just need to press the clips down and then pull up. It is tricky when your hands are wet, so that should come apart now. There you go. Just put that there. So this is the main bit we're going to clean, and this as well. So what I'm going to use is just warm water. You don't want to use anything harsh chemicals or anything like that. You can use washing up liquid with warm water and brush as well. And gently brush the residue off this dispenser drawer unit, like so. Just going to put my gloves on. Okay, got my gloves on. Let's start. And for those hard to reach places, I'm going to use a tough brush. Okay, that's it. I'm just going to dry them with a towel and pop them back in. But let's see the condition of inside the dispenser drawer before I do pop them in. It might need a clean. Let me take you there. Okay, the dispenser drawer just needs a wipe down. It's not that bad, and around the machine as well, around the dispenser drawer needs a bit of a clean, so I'm just going to do that. Again, you don't need any harsh chemicals. I'm just mixing a bit of Dettol with water, part water, and spray a bit there just to loosen it a bit. And using a tough brush, just gently brush away any residue. And that's starting to come away from the machine. All the build-up of soap, residue, grime, etc. So, yeah. As I said before, you want to do this every 3 months so it doesn't start to build up and make life difficult for you to remove. So, yeah, just keep on top of it every 3 months. Just give it a good clean. Use a little brush like this, a toothbrush or whatever you got handy, and gently scrub away. And all you need to do now is wipe it down with a cloth and we're good to go. Okay, that's all good. I'm going to now put back the other part of the dispenser drawer in the dispenser drawer. Ha ha ha. And yeah. Okay, and the dispenser drawer is now dry, so I'm going to attach this back how it was. How did I do it? Yeah, so you just got to do it like this, I think. Forgot how to, oh yeah, see those 2 holes there, one there and one there. You're just gonna have to connect those 2 clips there on the other bit there, like that, see, and then push down until it clicks together. There you go. Can you see that? All sorted. Okay, I'll pop the blue bit back in and I'm now going to put it into the washing machine. Dispenser drawer, in it goes. So you pop that back in there, like that. Gently does it. I think you need to press this down to do it again. Oh, there you go. Easily done. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and as I mentioned, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to see more videos on how to do things, more washing machine videos, etc. How to fix things. That's the nature of my channel, trying to help you guys in any way I can. And yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.